Hello beautiful hearts, welcome back again. I am Habiba and today I will share an easy cushion or throw pillow cover idea. Actually, I was always loved some boho decor for home and that is why I give this cushion cover a boho look. By the way, if you are watching first time my video, you can check out my channel for more home decor ideas. And please subscribe my channel if you found it helpful. Okay, let's start the process. So for making this cover, here I took two pieces of white cotton fabric. This one is 16 inch in width and 20 inch in length. Another one is 16 inch by 30 inches. I secured these two edges and see carefully how I place them for stitching. If you don't have any sewing machine at home, you can stitch this from your near tailoring shop or purchase ready cushion cover from any shop. This type of boho pillow cover are so cozy that you can use it any purpose. I hope you like this video. Please give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more ideas. Inshallah, I'll be soon with new decor ideas. Until then, stay beautiful.